What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove all this dirty mold and build-up of stains that's in the silicone in the bathroom. Very easy to remove, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. Let's do this. So what we're using is just regular household cleaning bleach. I've got a spray bottle filled up ready to go. Rather than spraying the area and trying to let that sit on there, what will tend to happen is the bleach will actually run off the silicone. So we want the bleach to sit on the silicone for as long as possible. And the way we're going to be doing that is by using some toilet paper or some paper towels, whatever you have laying around. All you want to do is just simply pull some toilet paper off, fold it up a couple times, and then we want to just roll it up. So I want to try and get it in a little shape like a sausage. And then what you want to do is just place that all along the bead of the silicone. So once you've laid out all your tissue paper, this is what it looks like. So just putting it in position, any of the affected area that you want to clean off. What this does, this will absorb the bleach and then we'll be able to press it into position, and that way that'll sit on the affected area for a lot longer and let the bleach get to work. Whenever working with bleach, remember, wear your gloves and just spray the whole area. Making sure the tissue paper has completely absorbed the bleach. So what you want to do is just press down that tissue paper into position all the way around, making sure the silicone's completely covered. And you can see how damp that is. Just let this focus for a second. As I press it, you can see all the water coming out, all the bleach. That's exactly what you want. So press that all into position. We'll let this sit here for about another 30 minutes, even to an hour, and then we'll come back and see how we're traveling. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I applied the bleach to this silicone. It's time to now remove it. So I'll start off removing these little pieces, and you can see they're nice and wet still. So we just want to move that out of the way. Hopefully you guys can see. It's a lot cleaner, very obvious to tell. Just remove that all the way around. I can still see there's a little bit more on there. So once we've got that removed, just get an old rag. Make sure you don't use a new one because the bleach will discolor your towel. So just use an old one like this, and we want to just wipe away any excess, any kind of little gunk that's left on there that the bleach has broken down. So there you have it, guys. That's how to clean the mold and the stains off your silicone. It looks almost brand new. That's the way we like it. If you find there's still a bit more mold or stains on there, obviously reapply the bleach and let it sit overnight this time around, so you give it a bit more time. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys how to do it. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.